Summer is finally here, and that means the grilling ideas are already running through many outdoor lovers' head. Grilling at your backyard or on an outdoor trip is a great time to spend time with friends and family. But without some grilling gadgets, your outdoor grilling may become full of hassle and you might not get the best cooking experience. And that is why in today's video, we're going to show you the best 7 grilling gadgets that are designed to elevate your grilling experience.
Check the video description for the links of the products. Since you're a new channel, don't forget to subscribe us as it will help us grow. Now let's enjoy the video.
How can you even grill without a fire starter, right? I mean, can you imagine that? That is why you should have the HomeRight Electro-Torch C9085. A powerful fire starter that lets you start a fire very easily and efficiently. It uses nothing but 1500 degree Fahrenheit temperature hot air to ignite your wood or charcoal. You'll never have to worry about tasting chemicals on your food or running out of starter fluid again. Apply more heat to have a roaring fire in as little as 2 to 3 minutes. The first position generates superheated air to ignite the fire. The second position produces high velocity of airflow to fan the flames. It has a built-in blower which provides continuous and powerful airflow and features 6 feet long heavy gauge grounded power cord so that you can use it without any hassle. The Electro-Torch fire starter is a hot present that any barbecue enthusiast will appreciate for holidays and outdoors. The perfect temperature can set the difference between perfect and uncooked meat. That is why you should have the GrillPro 13850. A unique LCD thermometer fork that ensures your meat is cooked perfectly. This thermometer lets you select doneness selection range from rare to well done. The target temperature alert will sound when the meat has reached the target temperature for optimum cooking experience. Not only it shows the current temperature, it also tells you the doneness. Its meat indicator toggles between beef, veal, lamb, pork, chicken, and turkey so that you can use it on any meat without any hassle. The digital fork thermometer displays in either Fahrenheit or Celsius and has a built-in LED light which makes it ideal if you're cooking at nighttime. This thermometer fork is made out of heavy-duty stainless steel which makes it durable and features hanging loop for convenient storage. The GrillPro 13850 LCD thermometer fork is the best way to ensure your meat is cooked just the way you like it. Barbecue grilling without the perfect grilling rack can be stressful. That is why you should have the Wolfwise portable grilling rack, a unique rack that enhances your grilling experience like never before. Its grill basket can accommodate food for 3 to 4 people. You can use it for multiple gas grill, charcoal grill, smoker grill, porcelain grill, whatever type of grill you want without any hassle. The integrated grill net can be adjusted easily to accommodate different types of food with varying thickness. It is ideal for grilling burgers, seafood, vegetable, and other delicate foods. Constructed of professional's 430 grit stainless steel, this grilling rack is sure to last a long time and is dishwasher safe for convenient use. Its 5.9-inch detachable handle provides safe and comfortable grip, which will keep you safe from the heat generated by the grill. It comes in a convenient folding design with lockable grill, which enables you to lock the foods in place and makes flipping it a breeze. The grid gaps are perfectly sized to provide even heat distribution while preventing small pieces of food from falling through the grill grate. The Wolfwise portable grilling rack takes your grilling experience to the next level and allows you to enjoy perfectly grill your favorite meal without any hassle. The Blackstone Signature Griddle Accessories is a set of great tools for your griddle, which is perfect for both cleaning up and cooking your favorite grill. It comes included with a total of 5 tools, which are 2 oversized spatulas, great for flipping burgers, pancakes, veggies, and all other grill or griddle applications, 1 chopper or scraper to dice food and scrap griddles clean, 2 premium leak-free fine tip bottles for condiments and liquids like oil or water. Made with stainless steel and quality composite, this grill kit is built to last longer, plus all tools are dishwasher safe for quick and easy barbecue cleanup. Enjoy an exclusive bonus cookbook titled The Art of Griddle Cooking, with several mouth-watering griddle recipes including lemon blueberry pancakes, blue cheese sliders, griddle pizza, and more. The Blackstone Griddle or Grill Toolkit is the perfect addition to any backyard kitchen that lets you prepare your delicious food without any hassle. Cooking over an open fire includes dealing with a dirty, greasy fire pit that cannot keep your utensils, spices, and condiments handy. That is why you need Zippo Utensil 3. A unique stand that keeps everything you need at your fingertips. It comes with an 80-inch tray with drainage system that keeps all of your utensils in one place and drains out spills or rainwater. It sits on a powder-coated steel shaft which is durable to handle heavy weight and features adjustable 3-pronged utensil hook. You can easily set it on any campsite using a step bar just by using your feet and enjoy a convenient cooking experience every time. The Zippo Utensil 3 can be the ideal solution for your utensils and spices while grilling in outdoors. Forget the hassle of cleaning your oily and sticky grill after a long day of barbecue and get Grillbot, an automatic grill cleaning robot that cleans your grill accurately without any hassle. Equipped with 3 powerful independent motors and strong brass brushes, the Grillbot can scrap all of that burnt-out residue off of grill grates with just a push of a button. It comes with an easy-to-read LCD display and allows you to set cleaning timer so that you can set it and it will automatically clean your grill. Its sophisticated CPU chip controls the speed and direction of the bot's brushes, while its powerful lithium-ion battery offers up to 30 minutes of cleaning time, which enables it to withstand heat up to 250 degrees Celsius so that you can use it without any worry. Its strong brushes are detachable, which allows you to toss them in your dishwasher and enjoy a hassle-free cleaning experience. The Grillbot is an innovative, motorized grill cleaner that takes the elbow work out of cleaning your grill with just a push of a button. Add some intense heat to your backyard barbecue that stores compactly out of the way with the Coleman NXT 200 propane grill. It lets you grill any meal with 20,000 BTUs of cooking power and offers a wide 321 square feet of cooking space so that you can grill enough meal for you and your loved ones. Its porcelain-coated cast iron grills allow you to grill your favorite food without any hassle, and if you're looking for more meal options, the swap-top interchangeable cooktops will let you change out one of the grill grates with a griddle or stove grate. The griller lets you enjoy mashless ignition with its Insta-Start push-button ignition. It also features a temperature dial which lets you set temperature for 2 independently adjustable even temp burners. The dual steel side tables can hold your tools and ingredients while you grill up your barbecue masterpiece. When it's time to fold up and store your grill, the swivel design of the no-spill grease cup helps prevent messes, and the wheels make it easy to move out of the way until your next summer cookout. The Coleman NXT grills is like the dream came true for those who just love backyard grilling with friends and family. So that's all about the best 7 grilling gadget for you. Like, comment and share with your friends if you really like this video. And subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.